Welcome to SearchAlpha, a powerful screening tool within AlphaLens that helps you build custom market searches using natural language and live market data. The widget is organized into three main areas: the Ideas bar at the top, the Search Canvas on the left, and the Results area on the bottom. The Ideas bar provides quick start examples across categories such as momentum, technical, performance, statistical, and fundamental. Selecting any idea will instantly add it to your search. The Search Canvas is where you build your strategy using conditions and condition groups. Conditions can be entered using natural language or with the guided editor. Let's say you are looking for stocks that are uptrending and trading above their opening range. Start by entering a condition for stocks above $10. Next, add a condition for last price is above the 200-day simple moving average. Then, add a condition for last price is greater than the high between 9:30 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. Once your conditions are in place, select Submit to run the search. SearchAlpha will scan the market and return all securities currently matching your criteria in the Results area. Let's add one more condition to narrow the results to stocks trading higher volume. Add a condition for stocks trading at 2 times average daily volume. Submit the search again, and the results update instantly based on your new criteria. Conditions can be reordered, temporarily disabled, or grouped together using and OR logic to build more advanced strategies. Nested groups can also be used for more complex searches. In the Results area, you can filter symbols, choose a market universe, customize columns, export to CSV, and monitor connection status. Searches can be saved and managed through the Ideas menu, allowing you to reuse or refine your strategies at any time. The Indicator Library, accessed from the book icon next to the Widget menu, gives you searchable access to a comprehensive library of indicators. Selecting an indicator displays details about the indicator, such as a description and how to use it in functions. Selecting Use from the Indicator List view or Insert Indicator from the Details view will insert the indicator directly into your search formula. SearchAlpha can also link to other widgets using color-coded channels, allowing selected symbols to update charts or analytics tools elsewhere in your workspace. Whether you are scanning for momentum, technical setups, or custom trading ideas, SearchAlpha gives you a fast and flexible way to discover opportunities in real time.